So TCL looked at premium TVs and said, what if we give people monster brightness, mini LED, and gaming features without making their bank account write a goodbye letter?
Good job!
Meet the TCL C8L Mini LED TV, also listed globally as an SQD Mini LED TV. TCL promotes it with up to 100% BT. 2020 color. Thousands of dimming zones depending on size, up to 6000 nits. HDR peak brightness, 4K resolution, Super QLED tech, Google TV, and audio by Bang & Olufsen. Basically, this TV walks into the room yelling, I am not here to be subtle. On paper, the C8L is built like a TV that ate a gaming monitor for breakfast. TCL's EU page lists 144Hz native refresh rate and 288Hz VRR game accelerator, which means fast action, sports, and gaming should look smoother than your excuses for buying a bigger screen. Some regional listings, like TCL Kenya, also mention Dolby Vision IQ, HDR10+, HLG, HDMI 2.1, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, VRR, ALLM, and AMD FreeSync. Now, real user talk is where things get spicy. On Reddit, one TCL C8L QM8L owner said it was good enough to compete with top-tier TVs with decent upscaling, though Sony still had the edge. That sounds like a compliment with a tiny slap attached. Basically, bright picture, strong value, impressive performance, but maybe not the king of processing if you are extremely picky. But hold up, wait a minute, something ain't perfect. Another Reddit post about a new C8L mentioned a vertical band in the middle of the screen, with replies pointing to dirty screen effect or panel uniformity. That does not mean every unit is bad, but it does mean you should test the panel early, especially on sports, gray screens, and bright scenes. Final verdict? The TCL C8L Mini LED TV looks like a serious value beast for movies, gaming, sports, and bright rooms. Big brightness, strong gaming specs, Google TV, and B&O audio make it exciting.
Nice.
Just buy from a seller with easy returns, test the panel quickly, and remember, Mini LED can look amazing, but panel lottery still exists like a villain in the sequel. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.